The process of developing a new product begins with the creation of an idea. Here, you brainstorm ideas that will help you solve an existing customer problem in a new and innovative way. When coming up with ideas to help solve customers' needs, it's important to have a deep understanding of your target market and the problems you want to solve. Your initial idea generation phase can be as simple as saying, "If we did this, this problem would be solved." The special feature of the idea generation stage is that at this stage, many ideas are generated that will solve the problem seen in the market. Then, in the next phase, the research phase, we begin to explore the ideas in our minds. There are several ways to investigate. First, we need to see if this idea can solve the current problem in the market. Is there a potential demand for that product in the market in general? Or if there are already existing companies in the market that have already solved the problem you found, you can research them thoroughly. You might think that this is a problem that can be solved better. For example, taxi services have always existed, but then these services were further improved. Transportation needs have been met before, but a company's new mobile app can be an improvement of that service. At this stage, we filter out some of the ideas in our minds and keep the ones that make more sense. After market research, we have a clear picture of our idea and the problem to be solved in the market. And then we have to move to the third phase, the planning phase. In the planning phase, we're ready to start planning out what our final product will look like. That is, we already have a product that comes to life in our mind. Now it's necessary to plan for its real implementation. For example, a new product from animators, the animation supporter of this project, is considered a new type of animation. Let's talk about the 3D story animation product recently added to the animator's site. After the idea and research on this product is approved, the next step is to plan new collaborations, with whom to add 3D animations to the company's portfolio, how much budget is required, and how much time is needed. Additionally, what steps will be taken to market this product? How much will the price be? These are the kinds of questions that are taken into account. In the fourth stage, the first prototype of the idea is created. In other words, a version of the initial sample is prepared. The fifth stage is the testing stage. The sample product created at this stage is tested, and any defects that may arise before mass production are eliminated. At this stage, the sample product is presented as a test to the target group, and their feedback is taken into account. It's possible that during this test phase, some product parameters need to be adjusted. Therefore, the next stage is the stage of product development. The final stage of product creation is commercialization of the product. In other words, bringing it to the market. At this stage, the company launches some active marketing campaigns. In conclusion, according to McKinsey research, only 1 out of 7 new product ideas are successful. Therefore, it's imperative to have a written product creation process to reduce the possibility of failure, and to make sure you spend your valuable time and resources in a more systematic way. Thanks for your attention.